Hello friends, welcome back to Jamaican Real Estate TV. In this one we're in Paddington Terrace, Ligani, here in Kingston and St. In this property today is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. If this is your first time to Jamaican Real Estate TV, welcome. Want you to know that we upload videos like these every day, showing Jamaican real estate currently on the market. Okay, so now let's move on to the living room. And this property is located on the ground floor, and as you can see, the living and the dining room area are basically in one. Quite enough seats for you to have your meal and entertain your guests. Now moving on to the kitchen with its granite counters and wooden cabinetry. Now that we have seen the kitchen, living and dining, now let's move on to the bedrooms. Leading the way, it has to be said, is this narrow passageway. And this is the first of the 2 bedrooms in this property. If you would like to know more information, please see the description. I would place the contact details for an agent who will be happy to help. On our left of this bedroom is the closet area, which seems to be big enough. And here we have the second bedroom. You may notice this one has more windows, so definitely more light is entering this room. Just as in the previous bedroom, we can see the closet area, which seems to be a bit smaller in this one though. And now we can have a look at one of 2 bathrooms. This one has a shower. And the second bathroom comes with a bath. You will also find granite being used in the bathrooms. There is also a patio for you and your family and friends to enjoy cool afternoons and evenings. One of my favorite attractions of this property is the amount of greenery here, which is not always easy to find in this area of Kingston and St. And of course there is a pool, perfect for those who are looking to relax or to complete your laps. All in all, this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartment, which is located on the ground floor here on Paddington Terrace, is a great find. Amenities of this property include a water tank, water heater, ceiling fans. Of course it is fully grilled and it has a swimming pool, built-in kitchen. There is also the standby generator and 24-hour security. As mentioned before, if you're interested in this property, please see the description for more information and contact details for the agent. Until next time, do take care, stick and stay. Other videos are coming up of more real estate properties available here in Jamaica. And please remember to like the video and subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification bell for all. Thank you.